Hello, today in this video we are going to understand about some techniques of preparation of amines according to our syllabus. We are going to discuss ammonolysis of alkyl halide, preparation of amines by reduction of nitro compounds, preparation of amines by reduction of amides. This is a very important reaction, and once again very important reaction, that is Hofmann degradation method. Ammonolysis of alkyl halide. It is nothing but preparation of amines from alkyl halides. In ammonolysis, the reduction takes place in presence of ethanolic ammonia under a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. Alkyl halide means Rx is reacted with NH3 in a sealed tube. This gives cleavage of CX bond, which means breakage of this CH bonds and formation of the CNH2 bond, giving an amine. Ammonolysis is a typical example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. We all knew nucleophilic substitution reaction, commonly known as SN reaction. SN1, SN2, all these reactions are well known. So nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN reaction, are such reaction in which substitution takes place. Here carbon and X, this bond is breaking and the NH2 is taking place in of X. So there is substitution of this X by NH2, and again this X is a nucleophile and NH2 is also a nucleophile. So this nucleophile are substituted. A nucleophile is substituted by a nucleophile. That's why it is a prime example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let us look around the reaction. Ammonia is reacted with alkyl halide, as you say. This lone pair of ammonia first attacks on this R, and in terms there is breakage of this bond between the halide, thereby giving a quaternary ammonium salt, which in presence of NaOH gives a primary amine. This primary amine is further reacted with Rx in the same way. It attacks the R, there is a breakage of bond, formation of a quaternary salt, and gives a secondary amine. This again further reacts with the Rx in the same way. The lone pair attacks on R, gives a quaternary salt, and gives a tertiary amine. The reaction doesn't stop here. Further, this tertiary amine reacts with Rx to give a quaternary ammonium salt. This is actually the drawback of the law or limitation of the law. This is actually the limitation. This results in mixture of amines. As I said, primary gives secondary, secondary gives tertiary, tertiary gives quaternary. So by ammonolysis method, you will get the mixture of amines. Further, this method is not suitable for aryl amines because of low reactivity of aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. These aryl halides or aromatic halides are very less reactive against the nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN reaction. So the preparation method of ammonolysis, it is not useful to prepare a aromatic amine. Thank you so much.